Welcome to Total Party Kill, where the dice roll high and the stakes roll higher. If you're into epic battles, chaotic crits, and unforgettable moments, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a session. Let's dive in.
Alright. 44 then?
24.
Yeah.
Sweet. You can hear heavy breathing coming past this bend in the road. It sounds animalistic. Which animal, you can't really tell. Do you have a background with animals at all?
Yeah. I'd
Yeah.
guess as a fallen paladin, yeah, I'd imagine I have something of animals.
Make me a survival check then. Also minimal plus 10.
32,
God
natural 20.
damn. Yeah. You can tell it's coming from an owlbear. You've heard of them in dungeons. You've kind of studied it a bit.
Owl bear. It's going to be a good fight. That's all I say out loud.
You want to fight the damn thing?
Who wouldn't want to fight an owl bear?
It's a good time to test these new swords.
Exactly.
I just kind of gesture at me like, me.
But that's why you stay behind me, my squishy friend.
All right.
You are what they call a support.
I mean, yeah. Go for it, I guess.
He's all kind of
It's like
dejected.
trying to make sense of it. It's just hurting me. So just do what you want.
Our tabaxi friend says, I've taken the exams many times, so I understand the class roles very, very well.
So how you want to do this, Chaos?
Let me see here. Now that I'm a barbarian, I should be able to rage, right?
Yes.
I'll bust into that. And so now, is my is my total AC 23 then? Going off of with my unarmored defense?
It doesn't stack with it.
Okay, so it's just 20 then?
Right now it's your strength mod plus your constitution mod plus 10.
So you're just completely negating the dex?
Negating the dex on it, it's a different armor. Similar to the barbarian, but instead of dex, it takes strength. It's almost like a replacement.
Alright, so yeah, just go into a rage and then run 30 feet ahead.
You bum rush into a owlbear. Let me pull it up here on a character prop. Whoa.
Sorry, big dog. I was taking care of something.
No, you're fine. We're just freeballing it right now. We will do This. Owlbear. Squaw.
All right.
You can give me a surprise round. I'll give you a surprise round to attack it. So you get advantage.
They're saying I wield this thing with one hand. So does that mean could I versatile it for like I don't know, an extra damage or no?
I've got one in mind. So if you wield it two-handed, you can do strength and a half, which would be an extra 12 points. Well, not an extra. So it would be your 2d12s, and then it would be plus 12 with where you're at right now. If you wield it two-handed.
Why plus 12?
Because it's strength and a half, so it'd be 8 plus 4. It's a 3.5 thing.
No, I got you. I was just wanting to where everything got there. Sure. I'll just do that.
Sick. Go ahead and make me your attack.
Really got to spin around. Oh, that's not bad. 29 to hit.
God damn. That's not bad. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, you hit.
So then that's okay. Okay, this way. 12. 9. So that's 21.
21 points of
33?
damage. Damn. That's
Oh,
plus
33 plus the 12 because I two-handed it.
Hell yeah. Good shit.
Yeah. And then
Sick.
that'll be.
It's still alive, but that was a big hit.
And that's my turn.
Alright, I'm going to need initiatives from everybody. Or actually, Katrina, you roll this initiative. I got to use the restroom here quick. Just put it in the side bat or chat thing if you can find it. If not, I'll. Yeah.
It's not a 5.
What? Which dice?
A d20.
Oh, my old ass finally found where it was at.
I just like it because it's like it's easy to be like, oh, this is that thing and this is that thing. But also,
No, back in the last. Well, no, I get what you're saying, but back in the last one, it was just in general chat, and that was also it was labeled as initiative, and so, like I said, everything being within that, pretty much, I didn't know that there was like several little message nooks, but now that I know. So that's a 22 then.
Did you say you got a 22, Tyler?
Oh yeah, sorry, I was gonna put that in chat.
Did you find the sidebar
Just
yet?
talking to myself. Yeah, I found it. I was talking to myself, so I was about to put that in there, and then I
Okay, cool.
said it out loud because
So Bexy is just perpetually last, it looks like, maybe.
So does that mean you want me and Smudge to roll it out because we both got 22?
Yes.
that's just an on die, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
7.
17.
And
So
then
teens times better than his.
I mean, it makes sense that the bard or the barbarian rather and the monk would
Ichigo.
like
Katrina rolled an
consistent.
11 on dice. So roll it out with me real quick. I'll let you say first, because I'm the DM. What'd you get, Ichigo? On the straight rollout.
17.
Oh yeah, you definitely go before it does. One of these times you won't be last, I promise, Bexy. Alright.
I'm chill.
Starting us off is going to be Chaos.
Also, I get to go again.
Oh yeah.
Buddy 2.
22?
Yeah.
You definitely hit.
Where did my D12? Oh, there it is. $27.
27 points of damage?
Yeah, because I'm still two-handing it.
Nice. Yeah, you kill it. Second hit in.
I just kind of like stand there. It's like, anyone else feel that was a bit underwhelming?
I'm going to put him off to the side. I'm probably going to use him again here. Actually, I'll just delete
I
this.
feel like I cheated a bit. I feel like more that it's kind of like 75% the sword, 25% me, to be honest.
You do.
You're too humble. You're too humble.
That's
You should be a
not the
monk.
sword.
You do see a nest there. You see humane bone remains. Couple
Per the
eggs.
quest, yeah, per the quest, and we'll grab the eggs and stuff in the bag.
Bet.
Ah,
Yeah,
good
you stuff
protein.
the bag with the 2 eggs that you see there. Continuing forward.
Hey, boss, I'm having issues pulling up your. Maybe it's just me. I might have to rejoin, but I'm having issues pulling up the stream. It's just stuck on when Chaos was first attacking. Anybody else?
Close. Yeah, close the stream. Reopen it.
Okay, cool. I'll be right back.
That's not okay. Whatever works.
Dude, you know what Discord needs to add? The ability to, like, invite somebody to a call. And
suppose.
patent, that was my idea. Discord pay me, like, I don't know, $5,000. Thank you. I'm sure everybody else has had it, but I'm saying it on stream. Can you make it so we can, like, invite people to a call? Ba-ba-ba-da. Another word from our sponsors, Discord. No, I'm just kidding. You guys, can you see my screen now, sir? If you're speaking on mute.
Sorry, I was muted. Yeah, no. Yes, sir. I can see it better. It must have been on my end.
Okay, great. I was gonna say I canceled out of mine too, so yes. You guys do see a fork in the road, and right here you see like almost like a large looking closet of sorts.
I mean,
Point out there's a large looking closet.
I can
Almost
take a
would
look
say
at the closet.
wardrobe.
I just
What are you, a
jokingly,
chiffero?
look at him and be like, "There's no war going on in a closet."
Do you open it?
I'm pretty sure I read about this in a book once.
Um,
Hey, Monk, you want to
hold
open
on.
up
Yeah,
this?
I was gonna say. Hold on. I was gonna say. Hold on.
He's read the training manual many times.
Can I investigate it before I actually?
Yeah, you can definitely
Go
investigate
ahead.
it. Okay, so I
Step
maybe
out of the
asked
way.
an open-ended question there. You know, actually, that was a
Yeah.
close-in. That was a closed-in
That's
question. It was a yes
that's
or
my
no.
fault.
Yeah, you can investigate it. What's your investigation?
12 would be 15. No,
It does
yeah,
look.
15.
It looks rigged.
Nobody's gonna get this reference, but I say this door cannot be opened, and then I try and disarm it.
Give me. Do you have any tinkering tools?
I have thief tools.
Was that in the bowl?
Yes, bro.
That's
How do you
gross.
do that?
Sorry, my wife just did something gross over here.
You had.
I mean, that's wives, right? Just being gross.
Wives are always
him
gross.
being gross, not me.
Okay, so there's a hair.
A ginormous piece of hair.
I don't want. Okay, good. I'm
That
happy for
definitely
you.
sounds like a wife thing. No, but
It was a ginormous piece of hair in the bowl he just loaded.
Well, you smoke it anyway. Who cares?
It's nasty.
What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah,
To disarm
I'm
it?
gonna try. Yeah, with
You
my
have a
thieves
tinkering tool
tools.
set?
No, I have thieves tools.
Thieves' tools will work. Use me, it's a D20 plus your proficiency, basically, with thieves' tools.
19 on die. Proficiency
you
would be
disarm
full.
it.
23.
You disarm it.
This door can now be opened. Again, nobody gets that reference, but I opened the door. Did I get any components or anything from the disarm? Was there anything that would like value?
Nope.
Or,
There's actually nothing in this. It looks like it was, like, trying to play on somebody's, like, greediness, almost. But there's nothing in here, just a trap.
no, see, I that makes sense because the dungeons are going to become molded to us as time goes on.
how nice is the closet?
Should I stay in there?
The doors do look oak.
I take the closet with us.
Hell yeah. Do you just, like, stuff it in a bag of holding or something?
No, I kind of just like pick it up. I imagine by like its tiny legs, like a pro wrestler would, like a metal chair, ready to
Awesome.
How
slam
would
it
you
over.
pick up a
him.
closet? Oh, you guys are making
You're
fun
just
of
gonna,
me.
like, strap it on your back, per se?
I'm
With some
going
rope
to
or
like
something?
just hold it out in front of me with both hands,
Yeah, fair enough. You can do that.
straight out.
You can definitely do that. You grab the closet, you continue forth. You do see something here. You see what looks to be like a pool of like green looking liquid. There looks to be a chest on a small little plateau of island.
You go, see, I told you this closet would come in handy, and I throw the closet. in the
How do you throw a closet? That's what I'm.
in the water.
I-
Well, it's like I said, it's like a wardrobe. You know what I mean? Like a.
Oh, I
You know
thought
what
it
I
was
mean?
like a fucking like walk-in closet, dude.
No, no. I imagine it was like a wardrobe type deal.
Do you
Makes
inspect
more
the
Which is
water?
technically.
You see a pretty long hall, and your sight kind of gives out. It is always like almost kind of like dim light in these dungeons. Not necessarily always, but kind of.
I got you.
Do you
But the
continue?
chest is
towards-
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the chest is right there, and I easily have a way to get across water.
You actually let me do this here quick. Let me where is it? Here it is. Let's see. With a long jump, you could probably actually make it there with your current strength. Without any fuckery. But getting back, you would probably have to do something.
It's gonna be saying, yeah. So it's like this is more of a long-term solution anyway. And if anyone wants to come along, I'm sure there's room for one more.
I'll come with you just because it'd probably be better for.
Honestly, you could probably pick if you put that like oak thing down because it's kind of taking up your like hand places here.
I was
If you
gonna
put-
use it as a canoe.
Yeah, you can do that. You throw it in. You notice that it
notorious
kind of starts
water.
to disintegrate slowly.
Acid water. Hmm. Oh, there goes my nice closet.
Who's
You could maybe repair it, but it's going to take a little bit of TLC to get it back in
Yeah.
good condition.
Well, I did it, and like, I'm not gonna fish it out of acid water.
You just
What
like
is
throw it deeper into the water.
Yeah, just kind of kick it.
Who is the lightest one that we have?
But you jump across while it's still in the water, and you land next to the crate here, and you open it, and you find about 50 gold.
I'll just fly back. I forgot I
will,
can
yeah.
fly for a minute.
You jump off the other one because from us standing, you'd probably be only be able to do halfway. But coincidentally, you have that cabinet there, so or the dresser, the drawer, the cabinet. What I mean, I can't think straight. You jump off it, you come back. You got 50 more gold. Continuing forth, only way to go. You start making your way down.
Oh,
You can see an end to the hallway. Right about here, make me a perception check.
Perception, you said?
Yes. And not trying to metagame, but something that would help out would maybe be Bardic Inspiration.
I do have an inspiration. So if I need it, I would rather use that than have him have to waste a bardic on me.
I got a
That-
17.
No, this one's just for chaos right now.
Oh, I thought you said me. My bad, dude. That's my fault.
24.
Yeah, I mean, going down the hallway, I'll give him a bardic.
24. You can hear a similar breathing pattern. Kind of almost sounds like another owlbear.
Do I know exactly where it is?
Yes, with the 24.
Nice. All right. Well, I'll just charge ahead again and then just do the same thing.
I'll say you're still in your
Let's see.
rage. Like, let's
Well,
say it's
let-
been like 2 rounds of your rage so far, right? Out of the 10.
Oh yeah, I guess I never said I didn't come out of it. So.
Yeah, we'll say you're still in rage just for the benefit of the doubt. Make me a dex save. Which also is a plus 10.
21.
You dodge out of the way. You don't quite have evasion yet, so you do take 2 points of damage. Which would, in turn, be 1 point since you're raging. So you take 1 whole point of damage as you step on a plate. Make me a Constitution saving throw. Which is also plus 10.
17.
17, you make it. You're not poisoned. You can continue the rest of your action. Rush him.
Yeah.
Similar tactic.
Yeah, if I can attack him after moving.
You run up and smash at it. You can have advantage on your attack.
$22.
You hit.
We definitely gotta get
23.
23?
Yeah.
Nice.
There's this. This one.
Alright. I'm just going to roll the same initiative that we had before, just so we don't have to take a bunch of time doing initiatives, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, Chaos. Attack again. And hit him with another surprise.
There's a winning. South Dakota for this.
16.
It is still alive. So after you was Smudge. Go ahead, Smudge.
I am going to. I can pass through. Is that Brexis in front of me?
Yes.
Bexis. Is that Bexis in front of me?
That's Bexy,
I
yeah.
can't. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can I pass through him?
Yeah,
Or is
you
that-
can move around him.
Yeah. I'm gonna pass through, and I'm going to go right next to Chaos. And using my, I'm just gonna do the old 1-2, the crowbar, and then the bonus attack, assuming the crowbar hits. Is that fair?
So you get to right about here at your max movement. Oh, sorry. Let me throw this thing up here, actually. I thought it was just going to die right away, so I didn't put it up. You
Here,
get to
bro.
about right there on your max movement. You would have to use feline agility to get farther. Why is this not fucking getting big? Get big.
Yeah, I will. I mean, I'll use it.
Alright. And then
And then
with
I'm
that, you have to use the rest of your movement to benefit from it again.
What's that?
With the rest of that, you have to use the rest of your movement to benefit from it again.
Oh, I thought it was if you stayed still for one turn.
If you stay still for one turn, like I'll take that too. Yeah.
I thought I maybe misread it, dude. That's genuinely on me. Okay, no, I'll do the rest of my movement. That's fine.
Smack him.
But I will attack with my crowbar for 16 hit.
I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Yes.
And then Can I roll my bonus, or do you want me to do damage first?
Just do damage first.
Cool. That's gonna be a D4. No, that's a 6.
D6.
I thought it was a 6 for
Yep,
the
you're right.
crowbar.
Yep.
And then that's 4 on die, so 7. Can I do my bonus?
Yes.
Bonus on die is 16.
16 hits as well.
And then that's going to be a 6 as well. That is max damage for a 9. So 7 and 9, that's 16.
Yeah, you smash its head in with your. Well, you don't smash it in. You, like, claw its throat out after your initial crowbar smash. But it dies. You see the nest there. It's got a couple eggs in it.
My eyes do that feline thing where, like, they widen and then, like, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So,
You know, you mean they just do that eye thing? It's called dilating. You're a funny
Yeah,
man.
are we gonna take those eggs?